Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. It is very sad to see Muslims fasting or celebrating Eid at different days, sometimes in the same household. It really brings sadness and defeats the purpose of the unity of Eid, the unity of Ramadan, and many of our celebrations. So unfortunately, there are different opinions, and we don't have one government, especially in this place where we live as minorities. So what should we do? Some of us prefer to fast or start the month or end the month with actual local sighting. Others, they just use simply calculation without the actual sighting, because for them imkaniyat al-ru'ya is enough and you don't have to cite it, and that the ru'ya is not an act of worship. And for us, global sighting, we balance between the two. And we believe in the opinion of the majority, which is Hanafi, Maliki and Hanbali of the Ummah. Wherever the Hilal is sighted, we'll take it. Whether it's in Indonesia or India or Pakistan or Uzbekistan or Turkey or Saudi Arabia, if the Hilal is sighted as per the tradition of the Prophet ﷺ, who said, Sumu li ru'yati wa aftiru li ru'yati. So how can we honor this tradition of moon sighting? Because some people say, Rasul ﷺ told us, so we have to go see it. And at the same time, using science to calculate and have a calendar. It is possible with global sighting. And if the Hilal is seen anywhere east of us, then it's fine. We would announce next day or the new month, even earlier before Maghrib. But if the Hilal is not seen and will be seen west of us, as we see lately, could be in California or Texas, we would wait a little bit. But if it's beyond that, while we are sleeping, that is called takalluf. It is called takalluf because we're putting the ummah in difficulty, and haraj. Allah Azza wa Jalla says, وَمَا جَعَلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الدِّينِ مِنْ حَرَجٍ. He does not want you in your practice of the religion to be in difficulty. So we would say next day, because the Hilal has not been seen, period and simple. But unfortunately, this excitement that we have, it has to be backed with not only the desire to fast or emotions, it has to be the beginning of the month. So to sum up, we adopted the global sighting. Wherever the Hilal is seen, east of us, anywhere in the world, we would announce the beginning or the end of the month. If it's few hours after, we could wait to allow Maghrib time west of us, let's say California or Vancouver. And then after Maghrib, they have around 30 minutes to see. We say 1 hour, and then we announce. Otherwise, let it be next day. Why this takalluf? Some say, well, it will be seen while we are sleeping at 2 a.m. our time, 7 p.m. Polynesia time or Fiji time. Therefore, go ahead and make intention to fast. It will be seen. Or even go ahead and pray Taraweeh before it's seen. That is not something we see possible. Calculation is good as a tool, but if the Hilal has not been sighted, we can pray Taraweeh. Simply. That's why the global sighting balances between the actual physical sighting and the visibility maps and calculation. And inshallah, everybody, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward them for their effort. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bring unity more and more and make it easy for the Ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ramadan Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, and all your celebrations Mubarak.